everyone. Thank you all so much for your donations. With your help, I made it to the third place. And thank you to all our family and friends. And thank you to my daddy especially for doing all the work of giving out the what are they
Envelopes.
called? The envelopes. And thank you for my mommy for running around for me and Chloe. Bye bye. Love you all.